we have about 3 cups of roasted pumpkin. So whether you want to roast your own pumpkin or butternut squash.
And if you bought that cheese pumpkin, chances are you had enough for both.
Right? So you could do cheese pumpkin soup and, you know.
Pumpkin puree for this.
For our bread pudding. So we have 3 cups of that. If you don't want to do that, go ahead and use 3 cups of pumpkin pie filling.
Right.
You know, that works just as well. So I have 4 eggs. I have cinnamon, so we have a heaping teaspoon, all right?
Or just
a heaping
throw it in your hand.
teaspoon of cinnamon. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. Here, why don't you grate me like
nutmeg.
a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So I have a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I have a 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of maple syrup.
Yum.
And 2 cups of heavy cream. So this is sort of the custard base for our challah bread. So then we're gonna soak these guys here. So we have a 1/2 cup of dried cranberries.
Yum.
And walnuts. There we go.
Pour this over.
Get it all in there. Yes, there we go. Right? We just get this all mixed up and we're gonna throw this into a buttered baking dish. We're gonna let it sit for at least 45 minutes. This is one of those things that it's like at least 45 minutes, or it could be, you could do this yesterday. So,
this is one we made ahead.
Right. So this
it
is
should
a
look like this.
soaked one.
It should be fully absorbed.
So you really want, because you really want all of that challah to really soak up the deliciousness that we've just dressed it with.
Oh.
Yes, beauty. All in there. And then we throw this guy in the oven at 350 degrees for, thank you, doll.
Sure,
for about 50 to 55 minutes or until the custard is really nice and set.
We got one working in the top.
There we go. So this one goes in there. Thank you. See you in about 55 minutes. All right. Mopping action. Yeah.
Oh, look at that one. Wow. I'll get a trivet. Trivet me, trivet me, trivet. Trivet.
Trivet me. There we go.
Wow.
Beautiful.
He is gorgeous.
Smells like, I can't decide if it smells like dessert or breakfast.
Oh, man.
It works for both.
Oh, it smells fabulous, Anne. So good.